It's why I'm here.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, Rabbi.
As we gather others, I need you to help show the way. To be humble.
We will.